What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And thanks for tuning in, guys. And today we're going to talk about ViperSwap. Guys, this is backed by popular demand. No, guys, just someone in the comments requested, asked me to go over it. And I was like, all right, bro, I got you. Yeah. So, guys, if you guys want me to take a look at something, help you guys out, just leave it in the comments below. I hear your message. That little man in the sky is listening. No, I'm not a man in the sky, but that would be cool if I was. But anyways, guys, I'm the man behind the screen. This is Drakeondigital, and my name's Drake, and I like crypto, and I like to teach people about crypto, and I like to eat food, and yeah. All right, guys, so what's ViperSwap? All right, so ViperSwap is pretty cool, guys. By the way, guys, if you guys are new to the channel, this is Drakeondigital, and guys, if you ain't on this channel, you get left behind. All right, so three things from me, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, bell button, leave a comment below saying, yeah, bruh, I subscribed. Leave like a fire emoji or something, guys, because that's the quick tip. Just trust me. Stay to the end of the video. I'll explain it to you. But if you guys do all those things, you will automatically get thrown into a drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. If you guys don't like that, I'm sorry, I can't help you because it's free BTC. All right, so what's ViperSwap? Well, guys, first off, this is on the Harmony One blockchain. If you guys don't know what Harmony One is, it's similar to like Polygon or Matic. If you guys don't know what Polygon or Matic is, it's like Binance Smart Chain. If you guys don't know what Binance Smart Chain, it's just like Ethereum. If you don't know what that is, I made a couple of videos where you can start from square one, literally going straight from Coinbase all the way into the rabbit hole of DeFi. Guys, I love this rabbit hole. Like, I mean, it's so much fun. I'm loving going down this rabbit hole with you guys. I love these protocols. This is what I love to do, man. But anyways, guys, let's go and get into it. Let's go and get into ViperSwap. It's a fork of Uniswap. It's just like Uniswap. It's super easy to do. If you don't know what that is, that's okay. I'll explain it in this video. So basically what you can do is you can like swap tokens. So like 1inch to Aave, and I can say, yeah, I want to swap one token for one. And it's cheap. The gas fees aren't crazy high. What you guys need to do, though, in order to actually participate in this blockchain, you need to have one tokens on your MetaMask wallet. If you have not already added the Harmony One chain on your wallet, well, you're kind of roasted. No, I'm just kidding, guys. It's so easy. There's this custom RPC button. Actually, in fact, they have like a button. Let me disconnect my wallet. So watch this. Watch. I'll show you. So we'll do Ropsten real quick. So look, connect to Harmony. They automatically, there's actually a section that'll allow you to automatically download it. If it doesn't, I'll do a video explaining it. Just leave it in the comments below. But last I did it, it automatically just added to my wallet. So good UI, props to Harmony One. But anyways, so that's added to our wallet. Now we need to fund our wallet. So how do you get to Harmony One? Well, you can use the bridge. So you can come straight from Binance to Ethereum. The reason they call it a bridge is because, yeah, I don't know. They just call it a bridge. It's just going from one to ETH, and I guess the arrow is your bridge. So that's cool and all. But anyways, so what's going on is you're transferring assets from Ethereum to one. And how you do this is really easy. So you connect your wallet. I've already connected my wallet. And I want to be like, bro, I want to send some BUSD. If I have it in my Ethereum wallet, guys, first you got to get the money on your MetaMask. So if you're doing it from Ethereum, make sure your money's on the MetaMask. If you're on Binance, same thing. Make sure your money's on the MetaMask. You have a couple of options. You can do a BEP20, HRC20, BNB, or 1. And now you guys are like, what the pants is that? Well, BEP20 is going to be like cake tokens. It's going to be like, I don't know, whatever the other random Binance Smart Chain tokens that you guys use. Harmony One, these are just random tokens that are on the Harmony chain. So like ViperSwap or Viper token is a Harmony One token. I don't know many other tokens out there because it's still an early blockchain. And BNB is, guys, it's just BNB. And then One is just One. It's basically the Ethereum of the network. I love the name, man. One. That's fire. All right, so the next one is Ethereum. So Ethereum, you have a couple of options. You can do native link. You can use well, not native. This is ERC20 link. So technically it's an ERC20. You can use BUSD, ERC721. I believe the ERC721s, those are actually like NFTs. I can't remember that exactly. Let me search this for you guys. And yeah, a single NFT. So yes, they are NFTs, guys. I got my blockchain MO going on. I took geometry class. I know what I'm doing. All right, so you got ERC 721s. Those are like your NFTs and CryptoPunks and whatever. If you don't know what an NFT is, that's okay. An NFT is basically like a Pokemon card, but it's digital. It's like not paper, but it's like on your screen. And it's yours, and it's provably yours, your Pokemon card. Or better yet, like this. Like you go inside a video game and you got like a rare sword or something. And yeah. And then you got Ethereum. Everyone knows Ethereum. If you don't know what Ethereum is, well, watch my DeFi guides. It explains it. And then you got one. So we got all those things down. Okay, this is awesome. So now let's start for the bridge. So I've already connected my wallet. I'll literally unlink my wallet so you guys can see exactly what I did. If you guys don't know how to unlink a wallet, this little connected section, all you do is do disconnect. It's that easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say continue. It's going to say, okay, great. Here's your one address, and I'm going to connect. And next, connect. Boom, boom. Awesome. So we got the one wallet. It's not found. It's because I used MetaMask. So now I need to connect on the Ethereum side. So this side is connected. I got my junk over here. So I'll say 1. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on Ethereum mainnet for you guys. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this account. So you guys, this is actually how you guys do it. So I'm going to go from Ethereum to 1. So I'm going to say I'm going to transfer some ETH. So I'm going to say max available. Okay, so we'll do 0.1 ETH. Oh, 0.1. I'm sorry. And my receiver address. So it's going to be the same. See, only use your wallet address. It's going to be the same exact wallet address. So what you can do is you can easily just connect these. So we'll say connect. It'll get me an address. Great. And now we will go ahead and connect our MetaMask. So this is the, you have authorized MetaMask. Just in case, if you guys want to be on the safe side, just copy your address and paste it right here. Or you can just hit use my address and it'll do it for you. Now you guys got that point down, you'll hit continue. Let me show you guys. And then it gives you a little prompt saying the MetaMask may ask you to sign with slightly higher fee due to gas limit estimate. Okay, that's cool. So let's see what it is. So it gives us the estimate. Looks like the fee's not too bad. It's literally $4. I'm not going to transfer it because I don't feel like using the bridge right now. But I'll probably just send my Harmony 1 tokens over here. Right now I'm staking them. So they're kind of locked up. They're locked up for an eternity. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I can't even remember the lockup period. I think it's like 14 days. I got to go back to geometry class on that one. But anyways, okay, so now you guys see the process. That's literally it. You hit that confirm button that was showed up on that wallet, and it'll show up in your wallet. So now that you have your 1 tokens in your wallet, now we connect back to Harmony. So now we're going to switch our network, and now you can swap tokens between each other. So you got a wide selection of tokens. You literally got Sushi, Uni, USDC, Wrap Bitcoin, and you guys see these ones next to it, and you're like, what the pants is that? Well, guys, you're on the 1 chain, so or Harmony chain. Those are basically your pegged assets. And if you guys ever want to pool some tokens together, well, not pool, but stake your tokens, you got to go to the pool and add liquidity. And now you probably don't know what adding liquidity is. That's okay. All you got to do is say, hey, wow, this is paying 400% APR or 500% APR actually. I'm down. I'm digging it. So you hit deposit, add 1 Matic liquidity, and it'll do it for you. You literally type it in, and it'll automatically pick out the totals that you need. So 1 for every 0.06 Matic. And that's it. You just say, this button will say approve. It'll literally say approve. Trust me, when you have the funds in your wallet, it will say
approve.
And then you say add liquidity, and it'll do it for you. Then once you do that, you got to come back to your pool that you're wanting to go to and hit deposit. It'll automatically allow you to deposit. So this will show up, you add the liquidity, and you deposit it in there. So again, I don't have the tokens in here, so you can't really see it. And when you guys get some Viper, you can actually stake your Viper tokens to earn 1/3 of the generated trading fees. So that is the use case of the Viper token, in addition to being governance. Now you guys are like, what the pants are trading fees? Well, that's okay. Trading fees are basically the fee that you got to pay on the swap. So say, for example, you're swapping from 1 to DSLA. You see this little liquidity provider fee? Yeah, that little fee, that goes to the people who are staking. So that's just a quick tidbit. I'm just going to scroll through so you guys can see the rates, but look at this. These are some pretty juicy rates. I mean, 371% on Bitcoin. Well, then again, you got an LP token. The problem with LP tokens is what would happen is impermanent loss. If you guys don't know what impermanent loss is, what you need to know is if the price of an asset goes down and the price of the other asset either goes up or stays the same, you're going to be losing tokens on one side. So impermanent loss is not a good thing. If you want to watch my full detailed video on that, just go in my channel and type in impermanent loss, like IMPERMA. Yeah, you get it. So yeah, guys, that's ViperSwap in a nutshell. And after you're getting tokens and earning them, you can claim them here, and that's it. So the staking is paid out in Viper tokens. So keep that in mind, guys. This is going to be paid in Viper. That's why it says the Viper emission rate is this. If you guys ever want to know the price of Viper, you can go on CoinGecko, or you can just do this. So one Viper is currently worth 63 cents. So anyways, guys, that's how you guys can see that. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification. That way you guys are notified every time we make a new one. And guys, leave a comment below saying you subscribed. Like I said in the beginning, do the fire emoji so you can get $125 in free BTC if you guys are selected. Guys, that was fun. That's ViperSwap. And my favorite part of the video is wisdom one-liner time. Proverbs chapter 25 verses 27. It is not good to eat too much honey, nor is it honorable to search out matters that are too deep. Bro, that one is pretty deep. But I know it's bad to eat a bunch of honey. I know that for sure. I guess it's not good to search out matters that are too deep. I guess that has something to do with being nosy. So don't be nosy, right? Dogs, thanks for watching. All right, guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind-the-scenes junk. So here it is. Scan it. Check it out. Bam, bam. All right, so next off, guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. All right, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it. So I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.